Kling O1 is Nano Banana of AI video. It can edit videos with prompts, add artifacts, change weather, remove things and add things or do whatever you want. Okay, so first let's exchange the van in this video with the tractor. It is extremely easy. So here I am in Kling AI environment. UI looks very good. You just upload the video, so this one, and then upload the image, so this one. And then just say car in the video is now image. The beautiful thing on Kling now is that you can reference anything that you upload with the @ Click generate. And this is what we received. Look at the tractor. Looks beautiful. Everything in the video is still the same. So she's walking by, probably trying to get to the tractor and do some agriculture work. Very nice. Then let's change something about our favorite movie scene. So here we have Jack Nicholson in legendary speech, and let's add cat to his shoulder. Hereby once again upload your video, so this one, and then use the cat, for example, that you can either upload or click here on elements and then choose the characters that are already there. So either, use that or upload whatever image you have. And based on that, we received the following.
Can't handle the truth.
From the beginning.
Son, we live in a world that can't handle the truth.
Look at the cat.
Son, we live in a world that has walls, and those walls have to be guarded by men with guns.
Now, of course, we also need to play with the politicians and add interesting artifacts in their hands and everywhere. So here, I uploaded image of Trump and Vladimir and added the rifle from the artifacts. So, and that's just said video, change the weather to heavy rain, it doesn't matter, and add and characters on video holding rifle. And this is what we got.
President Putin, how can the US trust your word?
So now you can see that there are some problems with the faces, but overall pretty good character consistency. Then also we can add roses and the polar bear. So for example, nice. Now the faces looks actually better.
President Putin, how can the US trust your word?
And then we can also add, so video, then we can add rifle, then roses, then we can add the polar bear and also add the orange cat. So characters on video holding rose while polar bear stands beside them and orange cat is on the shoulder of one man. So we have this. Amazing. And then one more example with those two characters. Here we go. Now, see that there are some big problems with the face of Donald Trump holding that girl. I don't know why that happened, but yeah. Putin is looking normal and the cat is looking very good. It's still very funny. Of course, we also need to try special effects, so let's change something about this lady in the video. Prompt is very simple. Uploaded this video from Pexels and then said, eye of the female person become red and flames start going out of her mouth. And this is what we got. Looks very nice. Look at the eyes, the flames, and the character consistency still very, very good. Oh yeah. Now, for example, if we have a scene of many people in the video, let's see if we can remove them easily. So look at this video. Once again, very simple prompt. So the video and then leave only 5 people in this video. This is what we got. It did remove most of the people but it didn't leave only 5 of them, but still pretty good job. I mean, this is the prompt text-based video editing on another level. Then let's say you have your favorite summer videos, for example this one with your friends. So let's change clothes or weather. Very simple. Uploaded this video here and then just set people in at video wearing tuxedos. This is what we have. Look at that. So you can always upload your, for example, favorite video and then do that. For example, here I added winter and the snow. Nice. Oh yeah. And then what if we have some great scene, but we'd like to change something and put people from that scene on the street? So here we added the video added the artifact or the scene from Tokyo, added the Jinx character, and set Kitty standing beside them. Let's see what we got.
Did you hear the fridge laughing again?
Yes.
Huh?
I told it a joke yesterday.
You shouldn't encourage it.
It gets lonely at night.
Very nice. And also, let's say we would like to change our face or body for introduction hook on YouTube videos. You can do that easily. So this is the scene from introduction of my video currently. What I did, if you click here on edit, I just uploaded my video, this one. I said the character should change to her, and afterwards also to change to Einstein, one of the available characters here. And this is what we got.
Is Nano Banana of AI video.
Nice.
Kling O1 is Nano
And this is also Einstein.
Banana of AI video.
So then the question remains, can we also change the camera angle based on the uploaded video footage, whatever we have? So this is the uploaded video, very simple one, and even simpler prompt. So drone view of at video. This is what we have. It really looks very representative and realistic based on the footage that I provided. Yeah, extremely good. So you can change any kind of angles you want, side view, back view, drone view, aerial view, everything is possible. And then also let's try some additional transformation VFX or stock footage effects. So I uploaded this video that you just seen, very nice one, natural hand connecting to the smartphone. And then I just said, transform the hand into the robotic hand and put Facebook logo on the screen of smartphone in flames. This is what we got. It looks pretty good. It is not completely consistent. I mean, I don't see any Facebook logo here, and hands really transformed instantly, but still very good AI prompt text-based video editing. So yeah, Kling O1 is really something else. I managed to create so many videos and editing with just prompts. So yeah, that's why it is called Nano Banana for video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.